So today I'm going to go over the basics of naming alkanes, the systematic naming of alkanes. So with each of these, they all look like they're different molecules, but they're actually the same. So this molecule, they all look different, but they're actually the same thing. In this case, there's a methyl group attached to the second carbon. Okay, if you turn, let's start with this one. Okay, so if you turn it that way, it's the same thing with 4 carbons, one on the second one. If you turn it that way, if you turn it that way, it becomes 4 carbons with that one, the second carbon. If you turn it back around that way, it's 4 carbon, one, the second one. So it's basically just gone through a full rotation. Okay. So you first find the longest chain. So you go 1, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, I choose to pick the straight chain rather than the bent chain because it's just easy to work with. So find the longest chain, then identify the branch. The branch is a methyl group attached there. And then number the chain with lower possible numbers, okay? So if I go here, I draw it simplistically out like this, so I've not put the hydrogens in. So you can either go 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? In order to make the numbering lowest, you want to have this on the lower number, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, so the methyl group is attached to the second carbon. When you're naming, you want to keep the number lower rather than have it, say, attached to the third carbon, okay? So this is a methyl which is based on methane. So you write the name as 2 because it's on the second carbon, methyl, then butane, because 4 carbons is, the 4 carbon chain is butane. Okay? So the name of this molecule, and I should have all the hydrogens in, like that. I'm just missing them out because it's a bit simpler. Is 2-methyl, 2-methyl-butane. This is another molecule. If I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I had one there and an ethyl group here, this thing is an ethyl group, which is based on ethane. Okay, 2 carbons. So I can either go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But to pick the straight chains, it's easy to work with. So again, you have a methyl group, position 2. So write 2. So 2 methyl and then 3 ethyl. And then hexane because it's 6 carbons. Okay?